kids, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Student, yesterday we read the passage, this passage, and we did two questions. Today we will do two new questions. First of all, we will read this passage, okay? There is a mat and rat is sitting on the mat and there is a cheese also. First line, this THIS, this IS is a, this is a LITTLE, little, BROWN, brown rat. This is a little brown rat. This is a little brown rat. His name is Ratty. His name is Ratty. His name is Ratty. What is the name of rat? Ratty. Ratty is on the mat. RATTY. Ratty. IS is ONTHE MAT. Mat. Ratty is on the mat. Where is the rat? Ratty on the mat. Where is Ratty? On the mat. He, he, LIKES, likes. He like TO2, EAT, eat. CHEESE, cheese. He likes to eat cheese. What does Ratty like? Cheese. First question, what? WHAT, what is the color of rat? What is the color of rat? This is a little brown rat. What is the color of rat? Brown. What is the color of rat? Brown. So answer is brown. BROWN, brown. What is the name of rat? What is the name of rat? Ratty. What is the name of rat? Ratty. Our next question is, students, we already done these question. We will do next question. First of all, we make the picture. This is a mat. This is a mat and rat is sitting on the mat. And what is the name of rat? Ratty. And he likes to eat cheese. What is this? Cheese. Next question is, what does he likes to eat? What? WHAT, what? DOES, does. What does he like? LIKE, like. What does he like to eat? What does he likes to eat? What is this? This is cheese. This is cheese. He likes to eat. He likes to eat cheese. Our answer is cheese. CHEESE, cheese. What does he like to eat? He likes to eat cheese. We will write only cheese here. Cheese. CHEESE, cheese. Next question is, write rhyming word. Write RHYMING, rhyming word. Word of rat. What is the rhyming of word of rat? Answer is, there is lots of answer. Rat, rhyming word, fat, mat, same sound word. Sat, had. We can write lots of word, same sound word. What is the rhyming word of rat? Fat, sat, hat. So students, let us revise once again. What does he like to eat? What does he like to eat? He likes to eat cheese. We will write here cheese. C-H-E-E-S-E. Cheese. Write rhyming word of rat. Rat, fat, mad, sad, hat. We can write lots of questions. So students, let us revise once again. This is a little brown rat. His name is Ratty. Ratty is on the mat. He likes to eat cheese. So students, write this paragraph in your notebook and write next two questions in your notebook. So students, your writing should be neat and clean, and make a picture of mat and rat and cheese. So students, write this paragraph in your notebook.